Hey guys, so today I've decided I'm going to start testing out these makeup sponges that I've got. These were basically drugstore makeup sponges. In there, Real Techniques is not in there because we all know that's amazing, but all these other cheaper ones. Today I'm going to do 2, and then on a different day I'm going to test out the other 2. Each sponge I'm going to do half of my face. So I'm going to start off, so I'm going to use my Maybelline Matte Poreless normal to oily skin 350. Basically it's this foundation. So yeah, I'm just going to use it to basically apply my makeup on half of my face. I'm going to start off with this sponge that I got from Superdrug. This was £1. It's like the flatty range beauty sponge. Yeah, I think that's what they're called. And I'm just going to start using it. Okay. I'm just trying to see if it's giving me any coverage. The sun's blocking my forehead. I would say I like it. Yeah, this part of my face, like this, more like lifted. Before I was going to do this video, before I had the idea to do this video, I'm going to throw it out. I don't think I'm going to. No. Next sponge we are using is from B. Is it B? Yeah. It's the B beauty sponge. Yeah. So you can again you can only get this from Superdrug, but everyone knows the B range in Superdrug. So I'm gonna use this one. And last year I did actually like this one, but I haven't used it in quite a long time, so I don't know. Because I like it. I'm going to be using my Poundland makeup sponge for the first time. Let's see if this works. I think it does suck up the foundation a lot. The Poundland one. Let me try and use the flat bit. Yeah, the Poundland sponge, I would say when using foundation, don't use, obviously with this bit, the pointy bit, I feel like it's just great if you're trying to blend concealer, obviously, because obviously it's a pointy bit. So I feel like, yeah, that's best for concealer, because I tried blending my foundation with the pointed bit. It wasn't working. The flat bit is perfect. Yeah, this side was just sucking the makeup. I'm not gonna lie, like, I am actually loving these like, cheap alternative like blending sponges. Yeah, I like this. It's my makeup again. The foundation gives you a very natural look, but obviously what you're using to apply the foundation needs to help as well. And like, I feel like this is really nice. It's blended very nicely. I feel like it's blended very nicely. So Poundland Blending Sponge, top marks. So today's makeup sponge, we are trying out this one. Looks quite weird, doesn't it? It's actually from Primark, and yeah, I picked it up, I think it was 90p last year. Yeah, last year. I was like, that looks really interesting. I could use that to like set my makeup. I thought, let me just try and use it to apply foundation. because it's basically like, because to be honest, you know, with a beauty sponge you have the pointed bit and then you have the flat bit where you can just dab. I feel like it's a bit like that. So yeah, I'm just sticking to the same foundation. I'm going to start off with this bit first, this end right here. Okay. I washed this sponge last night and I just come and checked and it's like still a bit wet. You know that some sponges you can wet it to like with application. And I'm gonna say, let's try and finish it off. So far, I feel like I'm gonna, oh, I thought the baby went. I don't think it's sucking up the foundation. I do like it because I'm still getting like a natural makeup look. So yeah, I do like it. I think I did too much there. Okay, okay. This end of the brush, you have to hold it really, really nicely. Like you can't go fast with it with this end. Like you have to like hold it so gently. Go with it very, very gently. I'm absolutely happy right now. I'm really, really happy with this one. Also, what I'm surprised about with the Primark one is that I felt the Primark one didn't suck up like my foundation. I think I might use it more wet, but then I will try it when it's not wet and see like the difference. So far, top marks with this. Happy. I'm gonna go out like this today because I'm going out shopping. The sponge qualities are fantastic on every single one of the sponges. So that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my sponge review application video. I liked all of them. My favourite being the Primark one. I think I might just add a little bit of eyeliner to my brows and possibly lipstick. If not, I'm literally happy. So take care of you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. I will be doing more tutorials and more like reviews for you guys. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of the stuff, and suggestions of videos in the description, not description, in the comment box below. So take care guys, bye.